everyone, start off by taking a section of the front of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Take a small section of the top and then add a rubber band to it once more, make a braid out of it, make a heart shape out of it after twisting it. Make a braid out of the rest of it, join it in a ponytail at the back, braid the back as well, roll it up and then add a decorative bow. Next, take a section from the front, make 2 braids out of it, roll one of the braids through and then make it into a loop and tie it up in place. Join this to the back, make a braid at the back, roll the hair at the back and then tie a bow to it. Next, start off by sectioning off the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Then roll the hair in on itself, divide it into 2 portions. Begin to braid each of the sections and as you progress with this braid, include sections of the hair into it. Include the sections from the side and then move on to the back as well. When you move on to the back, begin to separately braid it and as you progress with this braid as well, continue to include sections of the hair into it. This will be a French braid. Then once you reach the bottom, roll the hair up and then add a decorative rubber band to it. Next, start off by making multiple sections on either side of the front of the hair. Section out the back of the hair, tie a rubber band out of it, and then using a bun stick, wrap the section of the hair around the bun stick. Roll it up and then adjust it accordingly, and then use a rubber band to fasten it in its place. You may also use bobby pins to do so. Then make 2 braids to the back as such. Include sections of the hair into this braid, that is the initial sections that you have created. Add a decorative rubber band to it. Next, take a section of the top, make 2 braids out of it, roll the hair in on itself, make 2 loops. Twist the hair as such, tie a ponytail at the back, and then add a ribbon to it. Make a bow out of it as such and then tie it up in place. Next, diagonally divide the hair into 2 ponytails. Add multiple sections on one side, join it to the other side, make a braid on the other side. Roll it up into a bun as such. After you have done this, tie a rubber band to it. Then at the back, make 2 braids out of it and then tie it in place. Next, start off by taking sections from either side of the scalp, join it at the back and tie a rubber band. Roll the section of the hair in on itself, take a ribbon and then pull it through the section. Now, using the ribbon as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair as such. Use all of the sections of the hair into it. Now, once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band to it and then make a bow out of the ribbon. Next, divide the hair into 3 parts as such, tie a ponytail on either side. Take a section from each of these sides, add multiple rubber bands, make 2 braids out of the other 2, make a braid at the bottom and roll this braid upwards and join everything together. Thank you for watching.